What do you mean tilt down?
Tilt your head down because the camera's right here. Do a funny. Oh, yeah, hair's looking good. You ready?
No.
We're going in 3, 2. Hola, mi amigos. ¿Dónde está mi chica loca?
Gigante blanco.
Now you're supposed to say, aquí, aquí.
No.
All right, once more.
I'm not saying that.
Aquí means here.
I know what that
I'm
means.
asking where my chica loca is. Okay, once more.
I'm not saying aquí.
Aquí. Hola, gigante blanco. Okay, here we go. And again. Hola, mi amigos. ¿Dónde está mi chica loca?
Aquí. Gigante blanco.
Gigante blanco. What is going on? I am still in Los Angeles. Picked up my friend for lunch for a bit of watch yapping. Here we go. Let's check it out. I haven't seen you since we first met and you attacked me at G Money's wedding.
I seem to recall that a bit differently, but
Yeah.
yes, true.
Well, you were drinking, so that's why you don't remember.
I was not the only one.
Please. But what part of town? Well, actually, don't say that. I don't want people to know where you live. We're running around LA, and actually, Gigante Blanco is a little bit hot right now. Must be the company
Is that right?
raising the temperature. But Chica Loca is the originator of the watch yapping. So if you heard me mention the word yapping, it's because she put me on blast one day. We were talking. She's like, "Oh, what did you do today?" It's like, "Oh, I shot some videos, whatever." And she's like, "About what?" I mean, like, "What do you mean about what?" It's Watch Channel. She goes, "How much time can you spend yapping about watches?" And I about died laughing. It was so funny. I can take an insult.
You do yap on a lot.
I do. And she actually does watch the channel.
I do. I admit it.
That's a good friend right there.
It's a guilty pleasure.
Yeah. Was that my only gas station back there, the Mobile?
That was the closest one, yes.
All right, I need to pull a U-turn. I was too excited to be watch yapping. I need some go-go juice. Can I do a U-turn here?
I would not advise it.
Anywho.
But see the sights.
Yeah, see the sights.
Get to know the neighborhood.
More or less.
Which shall remain nameless.
Yes. So she gave me her address to pick her up. And I get there early on time. I'm a gentleman. And I'm pounding on the door, on the dot. Like I timed that. That wasn't an accident. I'm pounding on the door. No one's answering. So I send her a text. I'm like, "Oh, I blew it." She's like, "Oh, that's not my real address." I'm like, what? And she's like, "No, I just give that to people to get them close. Because GPS doesn't work." I'm like,
there's a method to my madness, all right.
At least you're
it
admitting,
makes sense.
At least you're admitting it's madness.
Well,
now where's this Mobile?
It works for me.
All right.
A la izquierda.
Ah, sí, señorita.
Y una otra izquierda.
Oh, yeah. I shouldn't mention that I only know Spanish food items, mostly.
Gigante blanco.
Gigante blanco, no bueno. Mi Spanish, no, mucho queso.
That's terrible.
I want to learn it, though. It's a beautiful language. And Latinas, you know what I mean?
Well, LA's the place to learn.
LA is the place. All right. You got this one?
Oh my god. Well, no.
I kid. Deepika. I was just kidding when we pulled into the gas station.
What?
But I kind of wish you did pay for that gas. $111.
I know.
Don't we have a bunch of gas?
Yes,
Like,
that's the problem.
Is the Alaskan pipeline no longer a thing?
It's
My
called
goodness
politics.
gracious. It's a rainy day here in LA, which, what the heck, I left my dreary, cold hometown.
Thanks for bringing it with you.
You're welcome. But
no, really, it's really lovely.
well, we need
it.
LA needs rain, but
Yes.
not on my day. The days that I'm here, it can rain all at once, for all I care. But anyway, that is the most I've ever put into gas, like ever.
Well, that's why you just don't look.
Yeah. Well, the funny thing is it's going up. It's like reaching 97, 98. I'm rooting for it to go over 100, like some weird sports gambler. Like, oh, come on, make it to 100. I was like, no, we don't want to make it to 100. And what's the over-under on my gas fill-up? Although this rental does get good mileage. Oh, hello, sir. Walking my dogs in the rain.
Never had an Audi as a rental. How'd you manage that?
I'm charming. But she already knows that, doesn't she?
Oh.
No, I got it through work for the front end of my trip, and then personal on the back end. But I was like, just give me the basic model, cheap. I travel light. But then I got there and they had nothing but minivans and trucks. And I was like, what the heck? Where's my Ferrari? And so I was chatting the girl up, Elizabeth.
Ooh.
Elizabeth, if you're watching the channel, thanks, girl. And I was like, whose Maserati is that? And she's like, oh, that's the other car brand rental place. Like, oh, I guess I'm moving over there. And so she's chatting, we're chatting, she's laughing. Ugh, this stupid thing.
You're wobbling.
I am wobbling.
Gotta watch it.
Yeah, no, seriously.
No.
At the left?
Yes.
Okay. So, she's
I mean,
like,
well,
I was
we
like,
could have stayed.
I don't know where I'm going.
No, never mind.
What is wrong with you? Anyway, Elizabeth, I was like, hey, Elizabeth, what about that Audi over there? She's like, oh, let me check. And she's all right, D, you can have it. It's like, oh, thanks, girl. And so that's how I got the upgrade.
Very nice.
I drove it up to San Francisco area, Sunnyvale. Me and G were rolling heavy. Am I making this right?
Yes.
Okay. We're rolling heavy through the desert, living that pew-pew life. And so that's what we were doing out in the desert. We took an F watch. Stands for fake watch.
Oh.
And we shot it mostly to pieces. Left?
Yes.
Gosh.
Then right.
I should have had you pick me up today.
I know, probably.
Because it feels like we're going in circles. But I wanted to do some watch yapping with the inventor of the Watch Yap.
Yes.
So
yes.
Chica Loca, what watch do you have on today?
I
Nada.
am not wearing a watch.
Senorita Tiempo. No watcho.
I do not own a watch.
Didn't we say we were going to buy you one this trip? Like we'll go watch shopping?
That's what I thought would be a
You know what?
wonderful,
The funny thing
wonderful
is,
episode.
Cartier,
Probably the best episode.
Cartier is closed on days when it rains.
Oh.
Sorry, babe. My B.
Well, you'll just have to stick around.
Yeah, I guess I will. I actually am in town for a few more days, but today's your day, so make the most of it.
I plan to.
I do too. I'm excited to see you. I've not seen you since I skipped town.
I know.
And,
many moons ago.
Many moons. All too long, babe. You're a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun yapping.
We
do. We have witty repartee. I always enjoy our convos. Have tons of fun laughing with you.
I do as well.
The chemistry's lit.
A little bit.
A little bit. But if I was gonna take you shopping, left lane.
Well, left lane.
Okay. If I was gonna take you watch shopping,
Yes.
do you even have a sense of what you'd like to get, or is it just not something that's on your radar?
I have no clue about any watches.
Oh, okay. That's not uncommon.
Although, if I know what I like. I mean, I know what,
Let me
I can
guess,
see
gold.
it.
Let me guess, diamonds. Let me guess, platinum.
I actually do like platinum.
It's heavy, you know that, right?
I can stand the
unusually
weight.
heavy. Oh, really?
I can.
Oh, how kind of you to tolerate it. I never knew Chica Loca was rolling like she's platinum. That's
And
funny.
gold. I do prefer
white
rose
gold?
gold, but it doesn't look
Oh,
good on
okay.
my skin tone. So
Give it a fist
gold
bump.
is it.
I like rose gold too.
Yes.
Yeah. Absolutes.
All right, so that's the place. So we're going to turn left and
we're
just
going to
try to
Mohawk
make
Bend?
the most of it. Yes.
Oh, all right. That sounds cool. What is this? A restaurant? Is it a coffee joint?
It is a converted movie theater that is now a restaurant.
Oh, right on.
Yes.
Is it any good?
It is very good.
All right. So shout out to Mohawk Bend,
Yes.
and we'll pick it up when we're back in the car.
Wait, this is the first I heard D-Train.
D-Train is actually my real name.
Is that right?
Yeah, when I was born,
D-Train.
coal miner's daughter.
Oh my god.
And my nickname is D-Train.
Wow.
I got that in college.
Okay.
But my friends,
Mm-hmm.
they just truncate to D because it's hard to introduce yourself as, hey, call me D-Train.
I guess.
I almost started the channel introducing myself as that, but it seems weird to give your own self a nickname. I don't think that's how nicknames work.
No, it's not.
Yeah, but more or less, people call me D.
Okay. Good to know.
But it is short for D-Train.
All right.
When I sprang forth from the womb, I was like, oh, D-Train. Welcome to the world.
Yeah, let's think about that.
I'm actually quite warm. So you have to lean in a little bit. Get your coconut in the middle. So this is
my coconut.
I get your coconut in the right spot.
Oh,
for
I
this.
see. Is my coconut good?
I don't know. I think it's a little loose on the inside. I think some of the coconut's sloshing around in there. I'm being absolutely honest. But like, what watch stores are even around here? Here's the thing. We could go downtown LA, but it's like there are no deals to be had in the LA jewelry district. I'm
No?
persuaded. No. Anytime G and I went down there, it was muy no bueno. Just like bad pricing.
Okay.
It's like I've got amateur stamped on my forehead somewhere.
Well,
Yeah. This is not amateur hour. It's a hobby of ours.
oh, okay. Well, I wouldn't know. You're the watch guy.
I am the watch guy.
You're the Yapper of Watches.
Could you imagine? You know what? Everybody announcement, changing the channel to Yapper of Watches.
That's a great idea.
.com.
Great idea.
.com. I am Antonio Banderas.
No, you are not.
Who's that moves?
No.
Oh, senorita.
No.
Close your eyes for a second.
No.
I do a great Antonio Banderas.
Not for a second.
Really? Out.
You wouldn't kick me out. It's rainy.
Hey, I need my ego stroked.
Wow.
You know what's really funny? 2 beers and still no kiss. All right. Hashtag burn.
Oh, well, that was the bet.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I forgot about the bet. I forgot about the bet.
Did I win? Did I win?
You did, but I forgot about the bet. What was the bet?
You buy me a watch.
I did not. It was like $20.
No, I was like, totally, you're gonna buy me a watch. A Cartier watch.
Ah,
That
it
was the
wasn't
bet.
Cartier.
That was the bet. That was the bet.
That
That's
wasn't the bet.
That's my recollection.
Oh, I guess we're going watch shopping. I'm gonna buy you a Casio.